Good morning, beautiful beings. This is Smadar from Song of Stones. I'm going to try and remember to introduce myself for those of you who don't know me. And I'm usually busy introducing you to the crystals. And this one is a magnificent brandberg amethyst, and there's something so special about the brandberg amethyst. They have an incredible water energy and they sparkle and shimmer like no other crystal I've seen. This particular one has an angelic connection. I'm seeing a V at the moment, which is interesting, but there is a beautiful angelic being present in this crystal, and they're saying that this crystal holds I don't want to say doorway or portal, but something to that effect, to the angelic realm. So this crystal is going to help you connect with your angelic guides. It's kind of like, it's going to sound silly, but it's kind of like an angel doorbell. That's really what it is. It's a way to call in your angelic guides. So this morning, when you're receiving your crystal blessings from this beautiful being, see if you feel your angelic guide coming through to you. Take a moment to connect with the crystal and your breath. And see if you can feel it in your body. Just allow yourself to feel whatever it is that you're feeling. And see if you can pick up on your angels, the beautiful beings that are always with you. They and this crystalline one have a message for you, one that is specifically crafted just for your heart. See if you can pick up on what that message is. And trust that it's yours and that you're going to be, that you have it already. And whether you are hearing it right now or not, you've got it. And at some point, they'll make themselves known. That message will become clear to you. So enjoy this energy and this light of this crystalline being and your angelic guides. And come back tomorrow and we'll have another crystal blessing for you.